Okay, so if you can see the mistake that I made, again, I wanted to do the end grain, so I put it on the sled, otherwise that board can fly all over the place, right? But when I did that, it raised it by 1/4 inch, so at the bottom cutter is not touching the wood. So as long as I do them all the same and I flip them all the same, it's not going to make any difference if I'm exactly centered. So I'm going to raise the cutter so that it goes entirely into the wood on both the bottom and on the top, which it's going to. I'm going to lock it. And then now, when I do it, all right, so it's working just fine. It looks pretty close too. I don't know if that was pretty good. Anyhow, so now I can do the rest of them.